Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to have the water test of the B57 Smartwatch or the Hero Band 3. Let's go! Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Josh again, and today we're going to have the water test of the B57 Smartwatch or the Hero Band 3. So we have here our bowl of water and then also our smartphone, and this is our B57 Smartwatch. So I actually got this one for around $18. So you can buy this one in AliExpress or Shopee or Lazada. Alright, so we're going to test this one, and we set our timer about 4 minutes, and let's see if it can last, guys. So let's start. So I'm just going to submerge it because it's actually floating. Maybe it's because of the plastic case. So let's just wait for around 3 more minutes. And okay, so it's try to 2 minutes more. Oh, can you see? It's still lighting, even though it is already submerged. Okay, it's 1 minute and 45 seconds left. And it is still lighting. Okay, so we have 53 seconds left. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Alright, so that's the end of our test. So let's try to take it out from the water. Wow. Okay, let's just wipe this out. Alright. And okay. And done, guys. Wow, I am so amazed. It is still working. See? I'll try to test, and if from this test, then we can say really that accurate. This smartwatch can last for around 4 minutes or more, I think, if you go swimming. So I can suggest that this smartwatch is really durable for